Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the eFootball update stuck on waiting or refusing to download on the newest session? Here's how to force it through. First, open your App Store and tap on the profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a refresh of all the available updates. Then, look for eFootball in the list and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold on the eFootball app icon, tap resume app and tap pause and then tap it again to resume to download restarted. After that, if it keeps failing, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage space. Free up storage if it's low by offloading unused apps and retry. Also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings if the download keeps on staying on slow network. So all you've got to do is go ahead and go to App Store and pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage and try mobile data, eFootball update, and that's it. Subscribe.